Hello friends, welcome to the world of chemistry. Hi, myself Vinay Kumar. As I promised you all, I'm going to tell you about TCT and TAT Commission. So in the same series, today I'm going to tell you about something related to measurements. So what is the role of measurement? This topic is very important. So let's see now what I'm going to tell you today. So as yesterday I promised that we are going to start with the same concept which I told you in previous video, like these are important topics. So from this topic I am going to start with the first topic, that is basic concepts of chemistry. So in this topic, let me tell you which type of questions are there. So when I am talking about basic concept of chemistry, this is first chapter of class +1, or I can say 11th standard. So your first question comes under the category of significant figure, and second category is mole concept, and under mole concept there is some other question like molarity, normality and molality, but you can find out question related to mole concept mostly. So dear friends, you will find question from these two topics definitely in each TAT, in each commission from 2016 to 2020. You can check even, definitely either there is a question from significant figure, or secondly there is a question from mole concept. So today let me tell you little bit about significant figure. So what is a significant figure? You have gone through many definitions, and somewhere it is written it is of sum of a certain digit plus uncertain digit, or one sure digit plus doubtful digit. But many of the people, they are not sure about what is certain, what is uncertain here, and what is the exact meaning of the definition. So let me tell you what is the exact meaning of a definition first. So here if I'm talking about definition, so it is written one certain and uncertain. You just see this scale, and you all have seen such scales. So here the meaning of certain means, like if I'm taking from here 1 to 2. So 1 is certain value, 2 is also certain value. Then in between there is a small dash, like if I'm taking fifth slash or fourth point, fourth dash, so the value become 1.4. So this 1 is certain and this 4 is uncertain. So that's why whenever we are talking about significant figure, so it is always a certain digit plus one doubtful digit. So this is doubtful. You are not sure about this digit, but you need to count and just write the exact number. So in this way, I think so definition is clear to you. What is the definition of significant figure? Now our task is to check how to check significant figure. So maximum of you have studied that significant figure and rule to find the significant figure. So in general, if I'm talking about, so there are 4 rules in chemistry. If you have studied any book, it may be NCERT or Modern Dinesh, so there are only 4 rules. First rule is all the non-zero numbers, this non-zero is very important, non-zero digit are significant. So if you see the example 1.34354, so all number are non-zero, so that's why directly you can count them. There are 4 digits, so answer is also 4 significant figure. Same is the next one, if they are 6 digit, so answer is 6 significant figure. Next definition, definitely you have studied or rule, that is a 0 becomes significant in case it comes in between two non-zero. When the starting and ending is done with two different numbers, they are not 0, so the in between zeros are significant. Like you can see here 3.05, so 1 0 is in between, so total digits are 3, so then significant figure is also 3. Similarly, next example, there are 2 0 in between and total they are 5. Next we have here all zeros at the beginning of the numbers are not significant. This rule definitely you have studied. So in starting you can see and this case is with decimal number like 0.314, 0.005. So just here you need to focus on the numbers only numbers, digits. What are the digits there except 0? So if it is in beginning, so it is not countable. That's why in last case you can see only one significant figure is there. Next we have fourth rule. All the zeros placed to the right of the number are significant. Means if the zeros comes under your right hand side, then they are significant. Like it is written 2.3000, that means they are 6 significant figure. But these rules are audited, and I am going to tell you something new. Even these are also valid, but these are somewhere I can say they are creating a little bit illusion how to find out significant figure in exam. So let us move forward and have a look over these examples. Like first you can see, first rule is same, all the non-zero digits are significant. Like you can see this example, simple counting is written, any number you can write, but keep in mind of zero, non-zero is written there. That means any number without zero. Then directly just count the digit, like 17 is a number, it is 2-digit number, so answer is 2. If any number is 5 digit, so it is answer is 5. Next is all the zeros occurring between non-zero digits are significant. This rules remain same as previous one, like 4.04, or it is written 404, 407. So in between zeros are also countable. Now third rule, you can see all 0 to the right of the non-zero digits are not significant. So this is already clear to you, as I told in previous slide also. So what else I'm going to tell you new here, that let me tell you. So here you can see, like if I'm writing 100, so in 100 only one significant figure is there, because the last zeros are not countable, and it is always giving us some sort of negativity, because as we are writing 100, so it is look like there are 3 digits, so we are also writing 3 answer. Then next is all zeros to the right of the decimal place. Now concept is decimal place. When we are talking about decimal place, so the right side zeros are not countable, but reason is that if any zero is in between two numbers, then it is countable. Last one you can see, all the zero to the right side of the number, right side to the given decimal number, then it is countable. Like if I am writing 0.20, then there are 2 significant figures, because the last 2 zeros are countable. So in this way there are 5 rules. But what is the new concept? New concept is, if consider friends, if I am writing 2020, so what do you think, how many significant figures are there? So you can say there are 4 significant figures, some they can say 3 significant figures, some they can say 2 significant figures. But under rule if you see, so 0 in the end is not countable, so this 0 is not countable. So how many digits left now? And 0 in between 2 non-zero number is countable, so this is countable. So overall you left with 3 significant figure. But in new terms, if I am writing 2020 and in the last I am writing centimeter, meter or rupees, any unit, then they are 4 significant figure. This you need to keep in mind. Anyhow, if it is written simple 100, so then there are only 1 significant figure. But if it is written 100 meter, kilometer or centimeter, then in that case you need to think there are more than the ordinary situation. Like if I am talking about 100, then it is only 1 significant figure. But if I am writing 100 rupees, then there are 3 significant figure. So I hope it is clear to you, and as I promised that I am going to tell you about the previous paper also. So let us take example here. This question I have taken from 2019 Commission TGT non-medical. You can see first question was number of significant figure in 0.050 is. So what do you think, how many significant figures are there? Directly you can calculate, so quickly calculate and do tell me how many significant figures are there. So you can see which rule is applicable here. If you see the previous slide what we did, so last rule is applicable here, because you see it is a decimal number like 0.050. so I told you all the 0 in the starting or a beginning of a decimal number are not countable. and only the zeros after the number is countable. So you can see these first two zeros are not countable, only 5 and 0 is countable. So the significant figure in this question is 2, or I can say significant figures are 2. So this is very important to know, and in this way you can find out answers also. And then I have one assignment for you guys. You can solve such question because the level of question is increased now. Earlier the question is asked like example 1.6, simple question is there, and now the question level is increased and question is asked like how many significant figures are present in Planck's constant or Avogadro number. Such question is asked. So then you need to think, and in this question I want to catch your attention toward last part, that is the powers. Whenever powers is given, negative, positive, whatever it is given, you need not to worry about the powers. You need to think only about the number multiplied to that. Like it is written 6.626 10 raised to minus 34. So ignore zeros. No need to count zero. Just you need to count how many digits are there. In this way, you can calculate your significant figure. I hope you enjoyed this topic. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for upcoming updates.